Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essentials so you can move fast. A mug, spoon, Cadbury hot chocolate powder, and 200 ml of liquid. Measure 2 heaped teaspoons per 200 ml. This balances sweetness and cocoa. Once ready, pour about 2 tablespoons of hot water into the mug and add the powder to form a smooth paste. This prevents lumps. Make sure the water is just off the boil for best dissolve. You'll complete the drink next by adding warm milk or remaining hot water. Now you focus on texture and temperature. Stir the paste vigorously until fully dissolved. A small whisk works well to break any remaining clumps. Heat 200 ml of milk to about 60-70 degrees C, warm enough to produce creaminess without scalding, or use boiling water for a lighter cup. Once heated, pour the liquid slowly into the mug while stirring continuously. This emulsifies fats and cocoa for a glossy, even finish. If desired, finish with a quick vigorous stir to lift aroma and foam. To finish, taste and adjust. Add foam, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for contrast. If the drink feels gritty, add a splash of very hot milk and whisk briskly to dissolve remaining particles. The extra heat helps cocoa disperse. If it's too sweet, dilute with 20 to 50 ml hot milk or water to rebalance flavor. Finally, let the cup rest for 10-15 seconds so aroma settles, then sip slowly. This helps you appreciate the layered sweetness and cocoa notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.